What's up, guys? John from JonMcNeil.com here. I know it has been a minute, and it's probably been close to a year since I've reached out, since I've actually posted anything. But just wanted to touch base with you guys, and I'll share too what I've been doing probably for the past year. I've been working on some real estate projects, and I actually started a offline business as well. And probably in future videos I'll talk more about like what I was doing, but nonetheless, this video is basically about online marketing, affiliate marketing, and just getting back at it really. So just letting you guys know that I'm back. I just wanted to shoot this quick little video to let you guys know that I'm back, and I'm going to be, starting to shoot a lot of videos about online marketing, affiliate marketing. So if you guys are still interested in learning, your boy's still here for you. We still gonna make some money online. If you're still out there, you guys let me know if you're still geared up and ready to make some money online. And one of the things, or a couple of the things that sustained me from an online perspective when I really wasn't doing much online marketing was things that I had set up in advance, and like selling tools, and like those commissions just seem to never go away, and selling services. So we're going to be focusing on setting up different campaigns for selling tools, like really centering campaigns around selling tools as well as services, as well as we're going to be teaching you a lot about branding online, because I think it's super important for you guys to learn the whole branding thing, because that's going to sustain you through anything, right? And then of course we're going to be talking about building your list and the email marketing and stuff like that. But just wanted to touch bases with you guys. I'm out here taking a quick walk, and just want to let you know I am back. And over the next couple months I'm gonna swing around because there's somebody cutting the grass back here. So in the next couple months I'm going to be introducing you guys to some different things, getting you guys involved. There's gonna be a lot of free resources as well, helping you guys set up a blog for free, just a lot of things that we're gonna be doing to help you build your online business, right? So if you guys are still up for it, up for the challenge, if you still want to make some money online, let me know. Shoot me an email back, leave this in the comment, leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know that you guys are still out there, that you guys are still with me, and you guys still want to make some money online. I got some things lined up for you guys again over the next couple months that's going to help you progress, and just going to make things a little bit easier for you in terms of like building your online business. Like one of the things that kind of burnt me out was some of these programs and some of these products that I myself may have had some success, or certain people would have success, but it wouldn't help the masses. And so like I wanted to really retool when I came back around. And so having a system and having training that is going to be applicable to everybody, and just making things more automated, more step by step, so that a spanking brand new beginner can take the information and start making their first $1 to $100 to $1,000 and beyond online. So I'm glad to be back, guys. This kind of feels good. I'm a little rusty and being in front of the camera. I'm just on my phone right now, but your boy's back. John from JonMcNeil.com, and we got a lot coming up, so looking forward to working with you guys. Let me know if you guys are still with me, and I'll see you guys in the next video in the near future.